Hey guys, how's it going? We've got another cool unbox video today. So, what's in this box is really special. Something really cool. It's going to be my first horn on the channel like this. Usually, I don't go for any kind of modified horns. If it's not real, then I don't really want it. But this is kind of an exception. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get her popped open. I got this in about, I don't know, 3 or 4 days ago actually. And I've been wanting to open it up like really bad, but I haven't had time to make a video. So I waited, so time to check it out. This horn came from a collector that has been selling off some of his stuff, and some of the other unbox videos you've seen have been things from the same guy. So he's had some really nice stuff, and this is one of them. So anyway, let's pull it out. See if you can guess what it is. Let's drop this down here. And a lot of packing material. Alright, going bell. Here we go. First bell. Alright, so this is going to be a 31. It's just a standard 31. Nothing too special yet. It's green and red. Next, we're going to have all kinds of pieces. Next, we're going to have this bell. This bell is going to be, the 37. So we got 31 and 37 so far. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull out this bell. Now, this is a special bell. This is a 25, but it has been modded to a 247. So it's been extended. I don't know if you know what horn this is yet, but anyway, so we've got this bell. It's been modded to a 247. And it was a 25. Next, we have another 25. And this one, get this gasket pulled around here, has been modded to a 277. So, your triple digit number bells. Really rare, very early. Some of the first ones Leslie came out with. Almost impossible to find. They are out there, but the people who have them, I mean, really, they just won't let go of them because they're that rare. They're really not worth the money to let go of them, unless you just offered astronomical prices. So this is the next best option. So the guy I got this from was selling off his ones that he custom made. They're tuned perfectly to a 247 and 277. So this is pretty cool. All right, the next bell we've got is a 44. So this is a 44. So I guess you can already see this is going to be a 5T Leslie 5 chime. So this is actually going to be an S5A is what we've got here. Go ahead and get the power chambers out. These power chambers, well, bronze tabbies, bronze heads. So all these heads work great. These are pressed in nozzles. Really good. Really cool to have another bronze tabby 5T in the collection. Really looking forward to hearing this in person. So here's another one, another pressed in nozzle. And we should have 3 more. Got this one. Got these ones packed in there. Alright. There's the next one. Like I said, pressed in. This is a Swedish make head. So that's going to be a little older than the others. The Swedish make heads are some of your older power chambers. So I'll stick a picture up of that Swedish make head. So here's another pressed in nozzle. Got our hardware. Gracious. Got last power head or power chamber. Get this thing out of there. And then we've got the manifold. So here's the manifold. So anyway, this is going to be a really cool sounding horn. No tag on this manifold, which is fine. The S5A, actually it is a real horn that Leslie offered. One of the very early horns that they offered. But to my knowledge, no one has ever found one that was actually sold, or manufactured. So they offered them in a catalog, also with an S5D. And that's when you had your S3J also, with your 2-piece welded bells. But they, to my knowledge, and to other collectors I've talked to, they never actually made an S5A. So I guess technically the only S5As out there are ones that have been reproduced like this one. So anyway, I will get this thing together and let you see what it looks like put together. Alright guys, so we got it together. So this is what the S5A looks like together. And again, it's got the 247, it's got the 277, it's got the 31, a 37, and a 44. So your regular like S5T would have a 25, a 31, a 37, a 44, and a 55. So this is lacking the 55, which is the smallest bell. And you do have your modified 25s right here that are made into a 277 and a 247. So anyway, this is it. Looking forward to hearing it. I haven't heard it in person yet. It does have the bronze tabby heads on it. Pretty good looking horn. It's a heavy horn. This thing weighs a lot. So that's what that looks like. This middle bell right here, this is longer than a standard 25. So this would technically be my heaviest RS5T. I do have, or S5T. I do have another S5T. It's an original 1953 bronze tabby. It's all air correct, all original tag and everything. This is not air correct, of course. I mean, you do have your bronze heads, which would be air correct for a S5A if there was one ever produced. But these bells are all just circle bells. You'd have 2-piece bells, you'd have your square numbers. So, this manifold actually is not air correct either. That's just a parts horn, but it's really cool, and it's gonna sound like an air correct horn, an S5A. So anyway, I appreciate it guys. I'll have a video up of this pretty soon. We'll see you then. Thanks.